ain't you been tired of going round and round and talking about the same thing when you know that I mean corruption you are facing lots of hardships, and to put it across to the world, it's uh, when uh, when things are not falling in line for you. So ain't you very tired of repeating the same thing again and again?
You know, when I joined this film festival, I have a huge guilt and I feel that I have done some crime because I first went in 1996 to 1999 in Jadugoda and made films, and that film gave a lot of award to me. I went to various countries, I got award, name, fame, and everything. But if I come back to Jadugoda and see the real situation, it's really very, very painful. It's a really shame that what as an Indian, as a civil society, as a population in general, what we have done to those the people life of the people there. I can just say a few examples. Like once after 1996, I went 6, 7 years later. I went there and I was with my friend's house. Then we went to village and then we found that one elder person is very worried and he is always happy in the past, but now he is very sad and looking anxious. So these are the issues. That's why I'm here, and I'm trying to raise the awareness. But I don't know till what time I will continue. But I have still hope that India has a biggest democracy. That this democracy have allowed me to make films, very critical kind of films I have made from Jharkhand, because the natural resources are there, all the exploitation is going there, and I have done the films there. And I really salute the democracy of India, at least whatever the space they have provided. And I'm in front of you, like Film Division is a government institution, and I'm screening these films. I'm criticizing my own government, and government has allowed me. And we have to appreciate, we have to nurture this space. So that is the only hope we have. Otherwise, so much cynicism, so much depression, so much sadness, what you can do?
जो भी बातें अभी कही अपने बारे में और आपके 20 साल के जर्नी के बारे में, जैसे वो फिल्म में भी बताया कि पॉलिटिशियन जो है, जापान के भी पॉलिटिशियन जैसे हम यहाँ पे फील करते हैं, जापान तो इतना डिसिप्लिन है, यूरोप में जर्मनी, एशिया में जापान, ये और मिडिल ईस्ट में इसराइल के ही, दे आर वेरी डिसिप्लिन और ऐसे बहुत ये है, लेकिन फिर भी वहाँ पे भी पॉलिटिशियंस वैसे ही है ऐसे कहा जा रहा है, और वो उनकी दृष्टि से वैसे ही और वैसे ही भी कहा जाए।
मगर ये जो समग्रता है कौन देखता है, कौन डिसाइड करता है? दुनिया के मज़दूरों एक हो, क्या मज़दूर एक हो पाए? ग्रीस में, स्पेन में मज़दूर बाहर निकलते हैं, हाँ, उनके यहाँ के जो कंपनीज़ हैं थर्ड वर्ल्ड में आते हैं, ट्रेड करते हैं, थर्ड वर्ल्ड को अपने घटिया टेक्नोलॉजी बेचते हैं, यहाँ से पैसा लेके जाते हैं, वो सारे मजदूर आंदोलन ख़त्म हो जाते हैं। उनकी कोई सॉलिडारिटी दूसरी तरफ तो नहीं दिखती।
Nuclear power as a peaceful means was a mask to get the plutonium for nuclear weapons, and that had happened during the Cold War, because the amount of money which would have been required to get the plutonium for the weapons would not have been the democratic government like United States would not have been in position to provide. So under the mask of this use of nuclear power for the peaceful purposes, they got the money to build the reactors. They gave the subsidy to these corporations, and on the pretext of getting the power, they have accumulated and they have got the plutonium 239 for the making weapons. That's what I think.
政権取った時はね、脱原発だったんですよ。みんなね、少し期待してたんですよ、今の民主党には。いつの間にか再稼働は必要ですとか、日本の経済に原発は絶対必要なんだとか言い始めちゃって、おかしいですよ。野田首相もそれ以外のパーフェクトかどうかは分からないけども、少なくとも原発はすぐ止めてもらうことをしなくちゃいけない。
それより問題なのは官僚の方々です。50代、40、50代の官僚のここをどうしていくかです。
もう福島はこうおとなしいとかもう全国から言われてるんですけど、福島はおとなしいんじゃなくて